Hello, this is the Free Merchandise Lady. Before I tell you about this wonderful site, I want to tell you about freemerchandiselady.com, where you can check out all my other videos, or hashtag Free Merchandise Lady. Now, I want to tell you about this wonderful site. It's called PayViewPoint. You could do short surveys. Because guess what? We want some extra money. The holidays coming up, and this is a great way to do it. It's invite only. Either you could go on the website and see if they have surveys available, or you could check your email. But what's so great about PayViewPoint? It is short, very short. We want to earn extra money, but we want it quick as possible. Short surveys and earn cash. And this is the site. The link is below, and you need to get started. But it's also something else I want to tell you about. Well, one thing about it, you got to be very honest on their surveys, because the more honest you are, the more they reward you. And that's very important, because the money goes up. Yes, the money goes up. And not just that, but it's another thing I want to tell you. They got a great referral program. They'll pay up to $25 per referral. Friends, family, whoever. Up to $25. Free to join. Short surveys, and pay up to $25 per referral. What a great way. Like I said, you can't beat it. The link is below. Get started. And this is a free thing where you can earn that extra cash for the holidays. I'm going to bring you so much more. So like I said, please follow me, and you will not just save money, you get free merchandise, you will get a lot of things. Just follow the Free Merchandise Lady. I'm here to help you. And thank you.